Are your Windows Firewall Control Panel logic apps crashing due to the Firewall Control Panel DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. To begin our Firewall Control Panel troubleshooting, choose between the manual path or a resource for standardized maintenance. This is the Firewall Control Panel, the Windows Firewall Control Panel module. It houses the localized UI templates and unmanaged logic for the Windows Defender Firewall settings pane. It facilitates the localized orchestration of firewall rule, manifests through the visual shell. With that background out of the way, here is how we actually restore the missing component. Since this involves a protected library, we should use the standard Windows repair protocol. Execute sfc/scan now from an elevated command prompt to detect registry inconsistencies and repair files like Firewallcontrolpanel.dll. When the primary installation path fails, a more surgical approach to checking your system's environmental variables is required. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Firewall Control Panel, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Sometimes a simple restart isn't enough for broken runtimes. Follow these steps to refresh the Redistributable files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Installing an unverified version of Firewall Control Panel DLL is one of the most common ways to accidentally bypass your system's built-in security firewall. Protect your workstation's long-term stability by utilizing a professional-grade diagnostic for routine environment checks. If library alerts are present, the system resource below offers informational guidance on managing Firewall Control Panel dependencies. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Firewall Control Panel dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.